Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix EA Sports FC25 game, any kind of stuttering or the lagging problem. I will show you guys the very effective solution that fix your problem definitely. So first make a right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager. Now here just close all the background apps you are seeing here. If you will see the memory or the CPU on the top is above the 90%, then this means this is the danger symbol. So you just need to disable or close all the background applications you are seeing on the top. Make a right click on all of these, then just click on the end task, then go to the startups on the top, and here just disable all the background applications you are seeing here, because these applications start automatically when you start your PC and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So just disable all of these. The next important setting is the privacy settings. So go to the Windows search and just type here the privacy settings and open it. Now here on the left hand side, just scroll down, you will see the background app, just click on that. Now here make sure that these applications are turned off. These applications also consume a lot of CPU or RAM and cause your game crash, so just turn these off. The next setting is to system configuration settings. So go to the Windows set, type it and simply open it. Now go to the boot, then just click on the advanced options. Then just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 8, 16, 32, any value, then just select it. This will increase your game performance. Then just click on the OK. Then just go to the services you are seeing on the top. Then just check this box at the hide all master services. Then just click on the disable all, because these are the useless services and causing your game crash. So make sure you disable all of these. As you can see, I already disabled these. Then just click on the OK. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. Then just launch the game. Then your any kind of crashing or the shuttering or the lagging problem will be fixed with this game. And if yes, if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.